2018 Ford Fusion Energi. The 2018 Ford Fusion Energi from Bill Jarrett Ford in Avon Park, Florida, serving Bowling Green and Lake Wales, has futuristic style and performance. Brighten the way with LED signature lighting and standard LED taillamps. Ignite the 2.0 liters Atkinson-cycle I-4 engine and electric motor to enjoy a combined 104 mpg in the city and 91 mpg on the highway. Command your interior from available leather-trimmed seats, and keep cool with the dual-zone automatic temperature control. Connect to your world with optional Sync 3 infotainment and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto support. Seek out restaurants and fun destinations on your available, voice-activated navigation system. Navigate the roads with the revolutionary rotary gear shift dial and simply push a button to start your engine. Reverse with confidence using the standard rear-vision camera. It's a great day to drive home a new Ford. Take advantage of our large inventory and the fact that auto loan rates are lower than ever. You can visit the showroom located at 1305 US 27 North in Avon Park, Florida, or call 888-461-2449 to schedule your test drive. Smart Gauge registered with EcoGuide provides real-time information to help you enhance the efficiency of your Fusion Hybrid or Fusion Energi plug-in hybrid. The My View feature lets you customize screens to your liking. Configurable screens such as brake coach help you maximize your vehicle's efficiency. Left side display screens including gauge and empower modes. In Engage, you'll see separate gauges for engine power and lithium-ion battery power, and EV displayed when the vehicle is operating on battery power only. In Empower, which includes all the information in Engage, you'll also see how close you are to the gasoline engine on-off threshold and the amount of power being requested based on how far you're pressing the accelerator. 5-way steering wheel mounted controls make it all easy. Plus, as your driving efficiency increases, the right side cluster display grows leaves and vines. The Fusion Energi plug-in hybrid features a 7.6 kWh lithium-ion battery, while Fusion Hybrid uses a 1.4 kWh lithium-ion battery. Both models have power split hybrid architecture. Find out more about driving an electric vehicle before you make your purchase. This means choosing the Ford vehicle that best fits your lifestyle, to taking advantage of available incentives to installing your own home charging station, if you choose to plug in, and so much more.